is. It's called We Found Love by Rihanna. There's some Rihanna fans that you have to sing as loud as you can, okay?
Yellow diamonds in the light, and standing side by side as your shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go. Hey! We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place.
I wonder if we can find love in Dumbarton.
Shine a light through it, open your door. Your life I will divide. Turn away, cause I need you more. Feel the heartbeat in my mind. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let go. Hey! We found love in a hopeless place. 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 We found love, found love, found love, found love, found love. I've been missing. Thinking about the things that we agree. But baby, I've been saying no more than others. Maybe at the stars. Come on, boys. Lately, I've been missing. Dreaming about the things that we could be. But lately, I've been praying hard. Say no more than dollars. We'll be counting stars. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, the less dollar. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, the less dollar. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, the less dollar. Take that money, watch it burn, sink in the river, the less dollar. We found love in a hopeless place. 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 Found love in a hopeless place. Found love in a hopeless place.
Thank you, Dumbarton. You've been great.
I just want to say you've been a fantastic audience
Thank
tonight.
you so much. You might have noticed that we're a member down. Jack sadly couldn't make it today. But I promised that I would do my video. So I want every single one of you to say we love you, Jack. You think you can do that?
I've got my hat.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
We love you,
Jack's going to love that. Jack's going to love that. Okay, so we have one last song before we go. Who's ready to scream? Whoa! Let's do it! Around yourself, you'll never fall back down.
Yeah. Everything that sparkles, don't shine like the way you did now, single time. You were there, licking your lips, in your eye, I think you guessed this. All you ever wanted was my name. You were there riding out this game. I was here in front of my spotlight. It must have been right out of my mind. I saw you last night, and I know just what you're after. You were saying something hard, said things. You wanna go faster, you go disaster. down. Never fall back down. Saw you in the club, you were locked down. What you gonna do when it spins round? Wait tables, collect tips, stay away, call back to all that shit. All you wanna do is your makeup. Tell papers we broke up. All you wanna do is stake your claim. Living your life and look at the past. Saw you last night, and I know it's what you're after. Wish I was green. You were saying something, heard you screaming faster. Scream, do you wanna go faster? You found disaster. Never seen no gun, you never leave the last one alone. Scream, do you wanna go faster? You found disaster. Your fear never touch you down. You're never gonna fall back down. Stop. Where you gonna go? Without me, I give you place to the streets to breathe. The best ain't never enough. It's a funny world we live in, yo. Never tough. Show me who you with. Didn't care what's best, but I can see. Well, don't think about what I need you when you know how you like me now. You wanna go faster?
You're amazing, thank you.
We just want to thank everyone.
I actually can't hear anything because it's too noisy.
I want to ask you guys to sort of hang fire and help us sing a little song.
Yes.
Like a Christmas number.
Yes. A Christmas song. Look at my house.
Is this to get Santa out?
Yes!
Yeah, well, Santa's
You know the
here.
score.
We've already got Rudolph on stage. So we need to bring Santa out, and I know you guys have been learning the words to this. Even though you sing it from when you're 5 years old, they've been learning the words. Do you want to hear Rewind sing Jingle Bells?
Is everyone going to help us sing Jingle Bells? Okay, Jingle Bells.
We're going to need your help, guys. We're going to need to sing it.
We do.
Dashing through the snow, and a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Ha ha ha! As the bells ring, maybe it's birds rang. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing a song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way.
Ho, ho, ho.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Santa!
I can hear Santa. He's ringing his bell.
Yay! Hello, Dumbarton! Merry Christmas! It's Santa, everybody! Woo! Have you all written your letters? Good, because you've only got a month until he comes down your chimney, as it were. So, we've got Rewind. They're going to press the plunger. We have the beautiful Yaz from your radio. And we have Santa. Now you need the plunger!
Right, Santa, I will let you make your way to the plunger.
Now, you lot have a very important job to do. Do you know what it is? No, you've all got to get a pound and put it in my hat at the end of the show. No, you need to count down from 10, and then we're going to light up Dumbarton. Now, I think everyone's really cold, aren't they? So, should we just do this as quickly as possible? There's Murdo, you should have come up on stage. Yes, you want to start us off? Dumbarton, are you ready for the Christmas lights?